Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa inyong lahat na nandyan. Thank you very much po sa inyong pagtangkilik kay Pautokit. Today is Sunday morning. Time check, it's 6:15. Nandito pa rin tayo sa Hodairia, Thailand. Yesterday I was supposed to have my bike serviced, kaya lang it's fully booked. So ngayon, iiwan natin yung bike natin today dyan sa Woolpies for service, then we will get it on Monday evening. Tapos may malaki tayong kapalpakan na naman na nagawa. Nakalimutan ko yung bike shoes ko kaya I'm riding with my slides on. Ay nako, nakakatawa kasi ano, hindi ako not even a normal shoes. Slides talaga ang aking peg ngayon. Anyway, thank you very much. Shout out sa mga subscribers natin, shout out sa mga viewers and sa mga members. Thank you very much sa inyong pagtangkilik. Fools. So inagaan natin ngayon para at least maka 30 kilometers tayo, kasi kahapon naka 20 something lang kami kasi sobrang init, muntik pa akong ma-heat stroke. So today I'll just take it easy. I'll just slowly get back my my condition, kasi wala ako sa condition. Hindi ko alam ba't wala ako sa condition. Ayun, dami oh. We were supposed to be join this ride. See this. See, dami oh. Let's go. Dami. Ano yan? It's a community ride ng Colnago Woolpies. I'm not sure, pero kasi every Sunday yung ano nila, pero I think that's the one. Meron pang isang malaking ride doon, isang malaking peloton. So hindi tayo makaka-back today kasi nga tayo naka-slides lang. Beyond, we'll just enjoy this ride, enjoy the sceneries, enjoy Sunday morning. Unfortunately, or not unfortunately, but this will be uploaded maybe Monday or Tuesday, because later on I will have my eye surgery for my cataract. So I'm not sure kung gaano katagal ang recovery nun. Yun. Let's go, let's ride. Mahangin pa rin yung ano, pero hindi pa kasing hangin nung kahapon. Tapos ang ang malamig ang hangin. Okay lang to, ano lang natin, chill lang tayo, hindi tayo mag popok. Yan, balik na tayo dito sa may, ito yung pinaka main main loop. Yung pinaka mahabang loop dito is 14 point something kilometers, 14.5 yata. Pagod na ako. Ayan na, huminit na yung hangin. Mainit na. Time check at 6:30. Simula nang umangat yung araw. Lumalakas na rin yung hangin. Let's go! Nakakatakot, sumasayad-sayad yung slides ko sa gulong. Lalo na pag tinasa natin yung cadence. Chill na lang tayo, chill. Baka ma-aksidente pa ako nito eh. Actually, please don't do this, don't try this. Or huwag niyo akong gayahin kasi this is very not safe. Now you're not wearing shoes, you're wearing slides kasi pwedeng sumabit yan kung saan saan. It may cause accident. So i-chill na lang natin to para iwas aksidente tayo. Sumasabit-sabit kasi yung slides ko sa ano pag nagmamabilis ako. Dito na tayo sa ating favorite part of this track, yung Red Bridge. Kasi wala lang, maganda lang yung view. Tsaka itong Red Bridge na to kasi malapit na to sa exit, yung usual na pinagpaparka natin. Pero ngayon hindi tayo nakapark doon. Doon tayo sa Colnago nakapark. Oh, mainit na yung araw, mainit na yung hangin. Kaya tas lumalakas na rin yung hangin. So just take it easy. Ayan, ito yan. This is the Red Bridge. Hey! Ito eh, exit na yan ng parking space dyan. Diyan kami usually nagpa-park, pero ngayon since magpapaservice kami ng bike, doon sa may Wolfie's Bike Shop kami nagpark. Pupulikati na yata ako. Ito mahirap pag hindi ka naka-shoes eh. Buti nga wala pang sumisita sa atin. Usually maraming sisita sa inyo na, bro, where's your shoes, man? It's dangerous. Hold on tight, you know, it's a little bit dangerous. Mga ganyang type. Ito na, nandito na tayo kung saan tayo na nag-start. So ano, first lap is done. So mga dalawang laps lang tayo, 30 kilometers. Let's go! Yan, dito na tayo sa may, ito yung pinaka-start eh, pag yan sa park, dyan ka nag-park. So ito na yung starting bridge, pero dito pa tayo sa Colnago, around 3 kilometers pa. So okay, I didn't struggle much this ride. Siguro kasi maaga kami nag-ride, maaga-aga. I mean, unlike yesterday, gantong oras pa lang kami magsisimula ng ride. Ganito, sobrang init na, mahapdi na sa mukha yung araw. Yan, ang ano lang talaga, nakakalimutan ko lang talaga yung bike shoes ko eh. I'm wearing slides, not even a normal shoe. Ayan. Kaya naman, happy weekend to everyone, or blessed Sunday. By the time na makita nyo to, maybe it's Tuesday na. Sarap din itong ano, morning ride eh. Pero dapat hindi kayo inaabot ng araw. Dapat talaga yung ano, bago magliwanag, ride out ka na. 30 kilometer ride per day, pwede na rin yun, not bad na rin yun. Iyon, let's go, see you sa exit. Malalakas na yun. Tayo din naman eh, malakas na rin tayo eh. Malakas na magreklamo. Let's go! Pero nagbagal na ako kasi pinapababa ko na yung heart rate ko. Hindi rin daw maganda yung mataas ang heart rate mo tapos bigla kang sudden stop ng activity. Hindi raw maganda yun. So, malapit na rin maubos yung battery ng ating camera. So thank you very much, Lord, for the safe ride. Salamat po sa mga subscribers natin na nakaabot dito. Thank you very much to those who are still here at this end of the video. This is about to end soon. Shout out to mga subscribers natin. Shout out to all my subscribers, all members. Later I will just shout out you one by one, members. But for now, it's a blanket shout out to everyone, viewers, subscribers, and members. Great Britain, Maki, Scotland. Yan. Well, anyway, thank you Lord again for the safe ride. So hanggang dito na lang ang ating ride for today. So if you find this entertaining, interesting, and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. See ya.
It's going down like a rodeo. It's going down like I told you so. It's going down like a rodeo. It's going down like I told you so. I hope you all here for the ride. Come inside, cause it's going down tonight. I'm only here for one night, no lies. Come and saddle up a ride. Need a yeehaw, you know how ye. Here for one night and we just wanna party. In a fast car, a Ferrari. It's a push start, I don't need a car key. Slide on Broadway, and it's gnarly. On a late night, but I'm not tardy. Right on time for the parties and Barbies. Strolling with a chunk of green like a golf swing. Hey, 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 hey. Bottles on ice, mess around these skates. Hey, hey, hey. If I gotta say it twice, then I got nothing to say. It's going down like a rodeo. It's going down like I told you so. It's going down like a rodeo. It's going down like I told you so. I hope you're all here for the ride. Come inside, cause it's going down tonight. I'm only here for one night, no lies. Come and saddle up a ride. Come and kiss me up, it's going down like a train when